and saying, girl, I'm not backing down. Ooh, yonder thunder and fireflies, we're just two scared hearts in the summer sky. You call it love that you missed your flight, I call it answered prayer on a Friday night. I still pretend I don't hear that word, but I hum your little hymns when the trees all stir. Maybe this is how a hard girl tries, letting someone in under thunder and